everybody, I'm Kimmy, and today I thought I would do a flip through of the new catalogue for May and June. Isn't that lovely? Yep. Alright, let's pull you out a little bit so that you can see it a bit better. Alright, so we have what Jeanette has written always in our magazines. Really cool. Then we've got, if you want to become a VIP, if you become a VIP customer, then you can earn 15% credit on all future orders. You receive a free stamp of the month if you, with a qualifying purchase. So you got to spend over $80, but then you get a free stamp of the month, and you also get access to exclusive offers and specials. So if you're interested in that, just go pop over onto my website and follow the link for the VIP. Alright, and also if you're interested in joining my team, you can become a maker as well, and you can potentially earn 25% commission. And there's lots of benefits of becoming a maker. If you're interested in joining my team, just again follow the links on my website. Alright, this is the Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription. So so you can choose between monthly, 4-month or 12-month subscriptions, and you get regular deliveries of some scrapbooking kits. So that's May, you got June, and you got July, and then August. And then same with the cards. You can get a Craft with Heart card making subscription too. And the cards come out every 4 months, so you can either subscribe for 4 months or 12 months. But these are the cards that you get to make. And lots of different cards, so if you're a card maker, it's always a good thing. Alright, let's have a look at the first. This is called Hillside Cottage. So that's very pretty. I'm going to show you the paperback in a moment, because I actually have the paperback for this one. Alright, so we've got coordinating cardstock up the top here. Alright, so here is the paperback and the sticker sheet, which I will show you in just a moment. And then you've got, these are really cool. These are acrylic shapes, but they're wooden and acrylic shapes, I should say. Yeah, and then you've got your cricket and your PML cards. Alright, so we'll just hold off on that and I'll show you the paperback. Well, let's start with the wooden pieces. So you've got lots of things in here, and you've got acrylic, and I'll just find one, but they fit inside each other. See if I can find one. Ah, there we go. This one here is a little rabbit. You've got your little acrylic piece. It will fit inside there. So like that. So it fills up the space. So you can either have it with or without it, but the options are great. So yeah, that is the acrylic pieces and the wooden shapes. Combine the two together. Alright, let's have a look at the paperback and sticker sheet. Alright, so this is the stickers. So Heart and Home. Got lots of different things. We Are Family. Cute fox. Sweet Homemade. So yeah, so these are all stickers. They're easy to come off and stick on your pages or your cards. Now this has to be probably my favourite piece of paper out of this pack. I mean, look at that, it's gorgeous. And there's your zip strip. Again, you get two of those. Oh, I didn't show you the other side. My apologies. And you've got some checkers, I guess, and some plaid. This reminds me of a tablecloth. So I guess you could use it for a picnic if you had a layout that you needed to use and you went on a picnic. Perfect. There's your zip strip, and on the other side we have nice think that's flamingo, because at the top here it tells you what the colours that are in there. Yeah, it's flamingo. And then lastly you've got these ones. Okay, so let's continue on now that we've looked through that paper pack. Alright, at the rest of the book. Okay, so you've got a stamp set up here. Nice rabbit. That little cute little fox again. Now the ones with the pink, they come with the, they actually have a stamp set. So this is the card making stamp set. Alright, and then you have a scrapbooking one. Alright. So there's an example of a page made with them, and there's an example of some cards. Alright, now the next, this is the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. So you can make those, and you would make those, and you would make those in that Scrapbooking Kit. And you can either buy it with or without memory protectors, depending on whether you've got some or not. Alright, next is your workshop card making kit. Now these stamps are exclusive to the card making workshop kit. So these are the cards that you would make, and you get to create 16 cards, so 4 of each. Alright, and then this is the next paper pack, and it's called Stars and Sparkles. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the sticker sheet. And then you've got your papers. And then obviously you've got your coordinated cardstock. You've got some star sequins, cricket collection, and your Picture My Life cards. And you can buy them all separately. Then you've got, this is the card making stamp set. So there's some examples of some cards made with that stamp set. And then you've got your scrapbooking one. It's got a barbecue, that's so cute. And there's one there. So, alright, then you have your Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, and you would make that one, and that one. And again, you can get them with or without the memory protectors. And then you've got your Card Making Workshop Kit, an exclusive stamp set that goes with it. So you build, obviously it looks like you can build some balloons. So we'll have a look. Again, you make 16 cards, 4 of each. So you've got those. So you can overlay with different patterns over the top of the balloons. So you've got a solid balloon, and then you've got some patterns that you can put over the top. That's pretty cool. Alright, now this is your mixing. So these papers here work well with the 2 paper packs, so your Hillside Cottage and your Stars and Sparkles. And you can mix them in to make your paper packs go further, or add a little bit something different. And there's a example of a page created with mix-ins. Alright, now we're into the stamp sets. So we have got this little one here. So tweet. Oh, that's so cute. Alright, so you've got some examples here of how they've used the stamps, and you've got 2 cards made with those with that little stamp set too. That's so cute. Oh, so darling. Alright, so then we've got a few little small ones up here, these little M-size stamps. If you don't know what size M-size stamps are, they're actually this size. Alright, so they're just a little bit smaller. Alright, so you've got a tree. This one, please enjoy paper hug. And here's a little paper hug until I can see you again. Very convenient because we're still in a pandemic. And then you've got florals and sentiments. So you can make a few different things in that. I quite like this. It's good for, colouring in. I quite enjoy colouring in. They would work really well with our tri-blend markers. Alright, so there you go. There's one there. That's funny. And this is a little, looks like a little 3x3 card. There's another little 3x3 card. And it looks like it's got some ombre stamping on there. Okay, alright, next page. Some more stamp sets. So you've got All-Star Birthday. Now, this one coordinates with the Star Shaker window, which is in our current core catalogue. Alright, so you'd get, so you can make a star-shaped shaker card. How awesome is that? I feel like that's really cool. And, whoever receives something like that would think that you have spent ages on it, and you haven't, because it's so simple and quick and easy to make. Alright, and then we've got Glad You're a Grad. So if you know someone that's graduating this year, that'd be great for that one. So there's lovely scrapbook pages made with that. And then we have Moments with You. Some nice sentiments there. And here are some examples. And then we've got Desserts a la Well Stamps set and Think Cut. That's pretty funny. That's so cute. Look at that. Absolutely adorable. And again, this stamp set is in our core catalogue. Alright, so you can make it. It actually spins. So as you're going around, you can have different sayings in there. So you've got lots of different things. You can go amazing, funny, celebrate. So they all fit in there. That's really cool. Alright. Next up. Oh, this is the one that I want to purchase because I reckon it'll go really well for a lot of the pages I need to make for my son's scouts. So we've got hiking. I'd hike that. Take a hike. You got a big boot. So yeah, so a map. I like the map. Map's cool. Alright. And there's some examples of using that. And then we have this one, Shoot for the Moon. And some examples of that. Oh, do you know someone that's a golfer? There's a hole-in-one, it's called. Great for Father's Day, if you're, father's a little golfer. Be good for that one. Alright, then we've got Because of the Brave, and we stand on guard for thee. So, there's lots of things there. And then here are some examples. Alright, now this one is pretty cool. This one is this one here. So you've got a sunburst background think cut. So we're into think cuts now. Alright, so we've got layered leaves. So you could layer up your leaves. So that's your solid one, and then you would have these different ones. And then we have a new circle thin cut. So they've come in 3 inch, 2.5 inch, 2 inch, 1.5 inch, and 1 inch. So they're new. And you've also got your spot on sentiments, which obviously will go in the middle of this here. So there's your layered layered leaves. And there's your sunburst. So yeah, lovely. Alright, now we have, we're still going with the months of the year. We've got May. Oh, there's a lovely whale watching Mother's Day. Alright, there's some examples of using that. And we also have June. and some examples using that one. Alright, now obviously also in here is the You Are Enough paper bag. I actually went through all of this in a previous video, so if you wanted to go and have a look, you can go and have a look at that. I showed you all the papers and everything that comes in the bundle. Alright, it's beautiful. This is for National Scrapbooking Month. It's absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend everyone purchasing this. I love it. Like, it's probably one of my favourites. Alright, and then that is some examples of using it. I like this one. This is probably my favourite example. Hang on, I just have to go back a couple of pages. That one, that's probably one of my favourites. As a layout, absolutely gorgeous. Alright, and then we have, which I can show you in a moment, is the stamp of the month for May. Now this one you can get for $9 with a qualifying order. You need to spend $80 or more, and then you can add this for $9 and it retails for $34. And the same goes for this one. This one is actually June's stamp of the month, and I'll show you both of those in a moment. Yeah, so again, spend $80 and you can get this, but this is only available in June and that one is only available in May, so you won't be able to purchase them until, you know, the month that it is. Alright, and then that is it. And don't forget, this is the Every Bit of Wonderful. It is the Operation Smile stamp set. Part of this, the sale of this goes towards helping Operation Smile. Alright, so they help children with cleft lips and palates around the world. So yeah. Alright, oh, and I just wanted to show you those stamp sets. Alright, so this one is, as you can see, I've already used some of it already. So it is, yeah, lovely flowers and lots of things on that one. I can actually show you something I made with that one. I made this card here. It's a shaker card. So I don't know if you can see that. Oh, they're a bit stuck. But I also did watercolours on that. So yeah, so it lended itself quite well to watercolours. Alright. And this one here is the stamp of the month for June. Again, I really wanted this one because it'll work really well for my son's scouts. Alright, so that is the walkthrough of the May and June catalogue. I hope you enjoyed looking at it and watching it. If there's anything that you want to know, just contact me and I'll answer your questions as best as my ability. Alright, so I'm going to leave the video here. Alright, so don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Alright, bye.